Hey there, Kidco Explorers! Get ready to hop into an amazing adventure because today we are learning about one of the coolest animals from Australia, the kangaroo. Let's bounce in. Kangaroos are large hopping animals that live in Australia. They belong to a special group of animals called marsupials, which means they carry their babies in a pouch. Can you pretend to hop like a kangaroo? Go ahead, hop. Kangaroos live all across Australia in grassy fields, deserts, and forests. Some even come close to towns. There are four main kinds of kangaroos: red kangaroo, eastern grey kangaroo, western grey kangaroo, and Philippine kangaroo. Can you guess which is the biggest? Yes, the red kangaroo is the biggest and can grow taller than a grown-up. Kangaroos are herbivores. They eat grass, leaves, shrubs. They use their strong front paws to grab food and chew slowly just like cows. Let's pretend to chew like a kangaroo. Kangaroos have super strong legs and tails. They can hop up to 25 feet in one jump. They use their long tails for balance. And they can go over 35 miles per hour. Guess what? They can't walk backward. That's why the kangaroo is on Australia's coat of arms. It only moves forward. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. When a joey is born, it's the size of a jelly bean and climbs into the mother's pouch where it stays safe and warm. It stays in the pouch for about 6 months, then peeks out, and finally hops out when it's ready to explore. Can you draw a kangaroo with a joey in the pouch after this video? We'd love to see it. Let's see what you remember. Quiz time! What is a baby kangaroo called? Can kangaroos walk backward? What do kangaroos eat? Awesome job, little hoppers! If you had fun, give this video a big thumbs up. And tell us your favorite kangaroo fact in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Kidco TV for more wild animal adventures. See you next time. Bye!